Hello everyone, this is Renuka Bhalke. Today I am here to explain you about sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In the last class we have discussed about structure of flower. In today's class we will discuss about pre-fertilization event which takes place in a sexual reproduction. When you see the sexual reproduction, in sexual reproduction we have three phases. First one it is pre-fertilization, second one it is fertilization, and third one it is post-fertilization. So there are three phases present in a sexual reproduction. First one it is pre-fertilization, second one it is fertilization, third one it is post-fertilization. The very first one it is pre-fertilization. If you see the pre-fertilization, what is pre-fertilization? Events that takes place before fertilization. So before fertilization, whatever preparation takes place in the plants for the process of fertilization, altogether it is known as what? Pre-fertilization. So already you know what is the fertilization. Fertilization is nothing but it is a fusion of male and female gamete. Fusion of male and female gamete. If you see pre-fertilization, again in pre-fertilization we have two phases. First one it is gametogenesis, second one it is gamete transfer. If you see gametogenesis, so in this gametogenesis, formation of gametes takes place in reproductive structure. The process of formation of gametes in reproductive structures is known as gametogenesis. In a male reproductive structure, formation of male gametes takes place. In female reproductive structure, formation of female gametes takes place. So this is nothing but it is a gametogenesis, formation of gametes. So next one it is gamete transfer. So in the gamete transfer, bringing together in the gamete transfer, there is a process takes place. Which process takes place? For the process of fertilization, both male and female gametes, they come close to each other. So they come close to each other for the process of fertilization. So it is known as what? Gamete transfer. And also here what takes place? Pollination. Then what is pollination here? Pollination is nothing but it is a transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma. So it is also comes under what? Gamete transfer. So these are the two events which takes place in the pre-fertilization. So first one it is gametogenesis, second one it is gamete transfer. So now we will see about male reproductive organ in a flower. If you see which is the male reproductive organ in a flower, that is androecium. What it is? Androecium. If you see the androecium, structure of androecium. So what are the units of androecium? Already you have studied in the last class. So units of androecium, it is nothing but it is a stamen. It is nothing but it is a stamen. So if you see the structure of stamen, in this stamen only formation of pollen grains takes place. Formation of pollen grains takes place. If you see the structure of this stamen, so it has how many parts here? That is three parts. First one it is filament, second one it is anther, third one it is connective. So three parts present in a stamen. Three parts present in a stamen. If you see the structure of this stamen, here you can see the diagram of what? Stamen. If you see the structure of stamen, so this lower part, stalk of the stamen is known as filament. Stalk of the stamen is known as filament. At the tip of the filament, you can see bilobed structure. Bilobed structure. So this bilobed structure is known as anther. What it is known? Anther. And this anther, it is connected. That is exactly in the center. That is the whatever this two lobes present here, they are connected with the connective. they are connected with the connective, or they are attached with the connective. Okay, so this is the structure of what? Stamen. So in the stamen we have three parts: filament, connective and anther. If you take section of anther, okay, if you take section of anther, only this bilobed structure, so it is nothing but it is a anther. And if you take a section of anther, so here we can see the how many pollen sacs inside this anther? Poles, 4 pollen sacs present here. Okay, so here you can see 2 lobes. Okay, so there is a presence of how many lobes here? 2 lobes. Okay, so this is one lobe and this is second lobe. So we have 2 lobes here, and in each lobe how many pollen sacs present? 2 pollen sac. Okay, so total how many pollen sacs present here? 4 pollen sacs present. How many pollen sacs? 4 pollen sacs. And in this pollen sacs only, formation of what takes place here? Pollen grains. And in the pollen grains only, so there is a formation of what takes place? Male gametes. Okay, so there is a formation of what takes place here? Male gametes. Understood? So this is about today's explanation. Okay, thank you.